everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. It is ending, the weekend is ending, it is Sunday, and everybody goes back to work tomorrow. But anyways, I finally got a diamond painting in that I placed a couple weeks ago. And yes, I'm saying it, a couple weeks ago. If you don't recognize the logo, it's from Jaded Gem Shop. This is my first painting from Jaded Gem Shop. I have been eyeballing this piece for quite some time. Not for nothing, but even though I buy Diamond Art Clubs, I have coupons for Diamond Art Clubs, which is why I stay purchasing in Diamond Art Club and even Dreamer Design. Sometimes there's coupons. With Jade's shop, there's not a lot of coupons floating around. When I purchased this, I believe I had found one. I'm on her group. I think it was on her Facebook group. And that was the only exception to me finally caving in and buying the painting I wanted. Other than that, it just stayed in my cart, and I was probably never going to purchase it. Her shop is pretty pricey. It's pretty pricey, and I had to shrink down on the size because the bigger the size I went, the more money it was. The more enhancements I added, the more money it was. So the bucks just kept adding up, and I even with a coupon, it just didn't make any sense to me to spend that type of money. So I got I think the smallest size possible that I could have gotten for this kit. Let me grab my scissors. She does have some really pretty artwork on her website. She has a lot of nice stuff. I'm not even going to front that one. She has really, really nice stuff. I just don't like the prices. You know, guys, I'm a cheapo. So, and I don't like buying big ticket items without a coupon. So, in case you haven't seen Jaded Gem Shop kit, comes in this nice white plain box. It's really nice. Didn't dent. Got shipped to me pretty well. Comes with her sticker logo, and then on the top, which I'm not going to show because I don't want to spoil the surprise, there is a picture, a thumbnail picture of my kit. I did get enhancements on this. I think I got glitter drills. And this was a square. Some kits came in round and square. I don't think this particular kit came in round. I don't really, off the top of my head, I'm sorry guys, I don't really remember. And I unfortunately found out after the fact that I placed the order that her kits are notorious for shit tons of confetti. Which, you know, on this channel, we don't, well, at least me on my channel, I don't like confetti. I hate it. I think it's completely unnecessary. Sometimes it's necessary in little areas. But large canvases with tons and tons of confetti, I just don't get it. I hate it. I wish companies would do without it. Because I've seen, I mean, we've already gone over this before if you watch my videos. We've seen with some of the portraits I've done that are mostly color blocking, you really don't need confetti all the damn time to get detail. I've done color blocking on faces, on portraits, and they come out beautiful with not an ounce of confetti in them. So just saying, it's not always needed. I don't know why some shops go crazy with it. She did send some release papers, some washi tape. Thank you. And there is a sticker sheet, and I'm going to wait to show you the sticker sheet until I show you the canvas. Does this even say what size I got? I couldn't even tell you guys. 40 by 40. So that's the smallest I could have gotten with this kit. And by doing a 40 by 40, I believe a lot of the rest of the picture. Oh, she sent a little cover minder. How cute. That almost slipped through the cracks. That's cute. What was I saying? The larger the size, the more of the picture you will get. So when you shrink it down, some of the actual artwork gets cut off. Yeah. Right off the bat, the cover sheet is nice and thick. I don't use cover sheets. They come right off and I put release papers on, but it is nice to know. It may be nice for others to know if you know, some of you keep the cover sheets on and just use cover minders. This is a very nice cover sheet. This is very sturdy, very thick. It's not that flimsy, thin plastic that tears sometimes. It smoothed down pretty good. Canvas is the felt backing, nice and soft. Scalloped edges with the holes poked through to avoid fraying. This canvas is called Axolotl Mermaid. The artist is called Tomorrow's Problem. I didn't know that. Here is Jade's handles. Let's see, for YouTube, Instagram, and her actual website where you can purchase her diamond paintings. On the side, there is a very small schematic. 31 colors. I'm happy to see there's not a shit ton of colors in here. I mean, it's mostly pink and purple, so I mean, how many could you possibly need? But yeah, here's our girl. So I mean, of course, it probably looks a little off because I mean, there's tons of confetti. But she looks so gorgeous. I know her square paintings. I think this is her shop. I think her square paintings are a little bit more inverted. You know, you don't get like a really beautiful thing to look at when you first open this up. And this is a square. So here's the original artwork on the big sticker sheet. Isn't it beautiful? I think she's cute. I love all the pink. I love the axolotl. I love her hairdo. I love everything about this. I have been eyeballing this, let me tell you guys, for months. I really wanted this. And I think a 40 by 40 does it justice, just enough. I think there's just enough. There's going to be just enough detail in here. I think it looks great. Are these pre-cut stickers? Yes. These stickers, you know, you can just, you know, go about your business. This is how the drills come. Now, one was rolled up in the canvas and the other one, maybe it fell to the bottom. She packages her drills in Ziploc baggies like Calming Canvas Designs. If you've ever seen any of my videos on Calming Canvas Designs, they pack them in these Ziploc baggies and they put sticker bag 1 and 2. I think this is so nice and neat. It is so easy to store these. It does have a canvas number on here, this long number, and size 40 by 40. Sorry, you guys, I'm so far away. Has everything you need to know if you want to separate your drills. Let's see if we can find the enhancements. Oh, and these are all like cut and separate. I love that. I hate it when it's a big long, you know, normally I don't mind trains. But like Diamond Art Club trains, they will go all the way down your steps out to the road. They're so long. I wish they would trim them down. These are separated by DMC code, so this whole line is 209. I like that. Her drills are good. They look good. I don't see any really tabs or anything on them. I heard nothing but good things about her drills, especially her squares. I'm trying to see. I think I got glitter drills or fairy dust drills. I'm not sure. It was so long ago. This order took forever to get to me. They do give you a warning before you place the order that it takes weeks upon weeks to be processed and shipped and get to your doorstep. So I already knew upon placing that it was going to take a minute. It was kind of out of my hands at that moment. But it's another reason why I don't go with some of these small shops, because they take like a minute and a day to get to your house. It's ridiculous. And then you got like a company like Diamond Art Club that makes premium canvases also, and it processes, it ships, and gets delivered in like a week. It's crazy. Pretty pinks, purples, some 310. Excuse the nail polish, still growing it out, but don't worry, you guys, it's gonna go away. I've decided I'm gonna do my nails for my beach vacation. I'm gonna put a set on. Some pretty purples. I really appreciate these colors being cut and separated by DMC code. This makes it easy, because if I only want to open one pack and put, one pack of drills and then put the rest aside, at least it's all separated already. I really like that. I think Common Canvas Designs makes a long train, if I remember correctly. Now let's see if I can get this neatly back into the Ziploc bag. Probably not anything like they did. Oh, good enough. Good enough. Works for me. As long as it fits without struggle. Okay, let's look at the second bag, or this is the first bag. Some dark pink. Some bluish purple. More purples. This is right up a girly girl's dream come true. Okay, this is the first. This is an enhancement. I haven't even been checking if the rest of these are enhancements. Did I only just get one color? It looks like a fairy dust drill. See a little bit of shimmer? So this is our fairy dust drill, or glitter drill. I don't know what she calls them on her website. Lots of pink. Dark pink. Some more dark pink, some peachy pink, like hot pink. I love this. You know I'm loving this. This should be very easy to kit up, and I like that. More pink. I was just looking at the drill to make sure it wasn't an enhancement. So I paid extra money, and I only got one color, so that's a little bit of a bummer. I think with Common Canvas Designs, I mean, they let you know off the bat, like one charted drill, like enhancement, 2 charted enhancements, 3 chart, and then the price goes up and up and up, depending on how many enhancements. I don't know if they told you that on this site. I don't know. And it looks like it's white, number 31, which looks like it looks like a person in this symbol. I mean, let's see where they're even going to put them. Okay, so the white fairy dust drill, all this white, the highlights in her hair. Up here. Here. Not in her cheek. But honestly, if I have extra, I might swap it out. If this is a white, I might put the white enhancement there. I mean, why not? There's some in the highlight here. There's some highlight here. It's not a lot. It's a little skims. But you know me. I'm a glitter queen. I like lots of glitter and shine on my canvases. The more ABs and fairy dust drills, I think, makes it better. I don't know. I think they make it. I like glamorous and sparkly. So I may have to add some extra where I see fit, honestly. We'll see how it goes. But this is really cute. This is not overly big. I really didn't want to purchase another huge canvas. I have so many big canvases, like Diamond Art Club canvases, that I have to work through. I haven't purchased any diamond paintings lately. I've been really good about that, you guys. I've been behaving myself with diamond paintings. I decided I'm really not going to buy something unless it's like rare or extra special and I just have to have it type of deal. But there's nothing out there on the market that I absolutely have to have. There are things on wish lists that I really want, but I'm not in a hurry to buy it right now. So diamond paintings are kind of on the back burner right now. I've been coloring a lot lately, so a lot of my splurging and extracurricular spending habits have been going to coloring books and coloring supplies. Markers, pencils, gel pens, etc., etc. So that's where it's at for me right now. So she's going to go on the back burner. She's going to go under the mattress so she stays flat. I think she looks beautiful. I think it's a nice quality canvas. It was shipped beautifully. Nothing was ruined. So, 10 stars for that one. 5 stars, if that's what you say. I think the drills look like good quality. I don't think I'm going to have a problem laying down the square drills. I know that's always a worry in people's minds when it comes to square drills over the rounds. Will they snap into place, or are you going to have problems with tabs? And the drills, from what I can see, look really good. They look like they're in good shape, good quality. So I'm expecting the best out of this canvas when I work on it. But yeah, maybe the next canvas I do work on when I go back to diamond paint, maybe it'll be this one, because this is not too big. But for now, here's what it is. I like it. I don't like that it took so long to get to me. I don't like anything that I buy taking too long to get to me. I'm just very impatient. So I'm not knocking off points to the company for that. That's just a me problem, you guys. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little diamond painting purchase haul. I know I haven't been putting diamond painting videos up, but I haven't been doing diamond painting. I'm sorry. I'm trying something new. I'm working on some coloring, and I'm enjoying it quite a bit, and I'm it's kind of sticking and staying for now, for the time being. I haven't even picked up my crochet hooks either. I got obsessed with that for a little while, and then I put that back down and start coloring. So until I get bored of it and move on to something else, coloring is here to stay. But I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing the new canvas. When I work on it, I will be sure to do a whip and chat with you guys. Show me working with the square drills. And then, of course, there will be a post review on the canvas when I finish it, and so on and so forth. And little shorts video that you can watch in a completed canvas. So if you're enjoying the content and you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. I hope you guys have the wonderful rest of your weekend and a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.